Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my review and tour of an EXCEL AFT Corner Suite aboard the brand new Carnival Jubilee. As you first enter the cabin, directly in front of the door is the entrance to the bathroom. The first part of this bathroom has a sink and a toilet, which can be separated by a sliding door. My first impressions of the main bathroom area is that it was spacious and had a really elegant feel. You will find water jets that are built into the wall alongside a rainfall shower head and Elements products, which are part of the upgraded suite options. Stepping around the corner, we'll step right into the bedroom. The color scheme for this cabin gave it a very warm and cozy feel. On both sides of the bed, you will find full-size nightstands and cabinets with an ample amount of storage space. Inside the walk-in closet, you'll find additional storage space and additional cabinets. There are plenty of hangers for hanging all your clothing items. The bed in this suite has been upgraded to a pillow top mattress. You will get complimentary on-demand movies as a perk of having an EXCEL class suite and access to the exclusive Loft 19. If you want to know more about Loft 19, be sure to subscribe to my channel for a full tour and review of Loft 19, coming soon. Directly below the mirror, you have 3 standard outlets and 4 USB ports. The bedroom in this cabin provided a lot of space and had a very open and comfortable feel. While most cabins will have one door to the balcony, these EXCEL AFT suites have 2 doors to step out to the balcony, one in the bedroom and one in the living room. Speaking of living room, let's check it out. This living room will truly upgrade your cruising experience. With the couch that converts to a pull-out bed and multiple areas for seating, this stateroom can easily be a place for entertaining or just sitting back and relaxing. Have you cruised on one of Carnival's new EXCEL class ships? If so, drop a comment below on your favorite cabin type. Very similar to the bedroom, the living room also has a lot of storage and shelving areas. I really hope you're enjoying this tour of this EXCEL AFT Corner Suite. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and content aboard the brand new Carnival Jubilee coming soon, including a full ship tour and my review and top 7 cocktails at the 2 brand new bars exclusively on the Jubilee. Now, let's step to the balcony. The full-size table, padded loungers, and a daybed is what you'll see on the first side of this balcony. And as we step to the second side, you'll see some additional seating and the focal point of this balcony, the jetted hot tub. This EXCEL suite at the aft of the ship was absolutely stunning and provided some breathtaking views while at sea. Thanks for watching.